we get complaint from other people there, from other political parties, mainly the All People's Congress say, remember that when a C4C member there, they disrupt and interfere upon the delegate election them. So we call for say, not just C4C party on this, not just we C4C party, but just individually they will take it upon themselves, they say they will involve themselves with other people. So we want to tell this local public say, we don't mix by violence, we don't mix by disruptive behavior, we don't undemocratic, we party on respect the culture of the people of Sierra Leone. The party respectable and responsible. So we party not with that name. So what you want to protect people say, we are the part of that name and we disassociate ourselves completely with the action then. And then come back and we say that we chairman, and also when that man not to be chairman as it stands. The man is currently injuncted by the High Court and we know say any anti-activity. So I make we don't decide say, the party don't decide say, we will set up the committee, we're responsible for investigating there and come to a logical conclusion.
A lot of disturbing information about the activities of some of the party members, and most when our top members of the particular we understand say they go involve themselves in other party activities like Korodi Street. We get the news to make the rounds on social media that they obstruct another political party in activities where they go select them, delegates them for their conference. Well, we want to tell the wider public, say as far as we're concerned, we foresee that a party where they observe law and that not a part of women ethos or the violent in nature. And we also know they lost sight of the constitutional provision that an individual in this country belongs to two political parties at the same time. So for we feel very bad. It's an unfortunate situation that they mention members of the party for involved in that kind of activity.
When they talk, me I don't feel it. And I never expected me not C4C. I go only go for other party election or any other party activity if they invite me formally. But I feel like they will come to C4C there. By election when not to their own. I see them live. Then they send the video to me. And they see me pump the woman and then they stone them when not to their party. I feel bad. And this is C4C supporter there. To an extent, I see my own constituency chairman. The constituency chairman C4C. I see in the process for votes and APC delegates election. I feel bad. Not also we wish for C4C. Not also we wish. We wish now for make C4C liberate the people of Sierra Leone with special reference to the people of Kono.
As a registered and responsible political party, where we say we mandate now or guide the political party for continue for contest elections, win, because we want to see we serve in a presidency one day in this country, and we believe in the leadership where we get, and we are new, but with 8 parliamentary seats, councillors and 2 councils, we believe say we are a third force in this country for referendum. So for let we get allegations of that nature from colleagues, as the allegations say, for we are sad news. There are sad news, and it's so sad that for the people who not believe in a system of this nature, we don't come up from the east and spread all over the country. We get C4C members all over Sierra Leone and the diaspora. We don't do so much to keep the dignity, the respect of this political party. For see few people just want to kill the mantra of the political party. It really sad as a country, it really sad for we as a political party.
As a result of the repetitive calls they get across the country, it worries and concerns them that certain members alleged of the C4C party can be involved at the APC adoption of the delegates then carry the national and delegate conference. It is so worrisome, the concern, the members of the APC being a sister party, we interest you so much. I have to make a call this press conference today. We can make the position very clear and dissuade itself from any interference of the election day, of the other hand, the other foot, and that for institute NCC for the investigation, their members and they will be involved in the corporate action taken in line with Article 15 of the C Constitution 2015 Constitution.
Now just rumor or una get official correspondence from the party in question where say they go involve them?
We only get a telephone call from constituted authority then in the APC for district. We get you, we also get tutorial evidences then who don't gather. But all seems alleged. So now we're very close. We go participate. We don't know when a coincidence if you are very close or we go show solidarity or we go show support or we go show participation in that particular delegate adoption conference. That make we will institute without prejudice a committee we will do findings and appropriately people have to know and the general public to know and come for them for you.